So have you beat your RC to a pulp like this yet? Needs some repairs. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up this RC repair station along with its associated hardware, take a look at it, and see if it's kind of what the basic person needs to fix their severely damaged RC car. Let's go do that now. Okay, so here's the stand. I've put it together. Interestingly enough, it comes with absolutely no instructions. I ended up with a couple extra parts, not exactly sure what they're for, but I guess if you're going to be fixing an RC car, you got to be able to put this together by yourself. Let's just test out, make sure it holds the car. This is a smallish 1/10. Fits on there perfect. And honestly, it's nice and stable. So I think that part's really cool. The tools and stuff, junk, but better than no tools if you don't have tools. Same as the stand. Even the little magnetic tray, the magnet isn't even taped down, so you got to do that yourself. All right, let's just take a quick look at the hardware that it comes with. I'm not going to go through all of this, but I'm just going to take a quick look at it. Comes in this little organizer. Nothing's labeled, of course. Looks like a normal kind of varied selection of smallish kind of hardware. Again, if you don't have stuff, it's probably a great start. Overall, I'm going to say it's exactly what I expected it to be. The most important thing is the stand really holds the car pretty nicely. If you're looking to get started and you need some basic stuff, I think this is a real good choice. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.